Hello, my dear ALPNs and Granulars. Wishing you the very best with CLAT 2021. And as you come into the last week of your CLAT preparation, we're going to bring to you many different things about counseling and law school cutoffs, vacancies, etc. in the weeks to come. But much before that, there's one important session I'm very eager to bring to you, which is 10 things you must keep in mind for an offline exam, for a pen paper format exam on the D-Day. So do not miss that. That's going to come up in the next few days. You're going to find the link for that particular session in the description below. Look at that. And once again, wishing you the very best from the entire Abhyas Law Prep team and your narrator. Have a great exam.
Hi. As you enter the last leg of your journey, the journey of preparation towards CLAT and getting into the national law school of your dreams, this is the moment that you've all been waiting for. Whether your effort has been for the last few months or for the last few years, what matters is not how much effort you have put in all these days, but ultimately what matters is what you do and how you perform in those 2 hours of the exam. So I wish you all the best. Just keep your cool. Don't worry about the result. Don't let anything disturb you on that day. Maintain your concentration. Just don't worry about anything. Those 2 hours, just focus on the paper. Do remember that the same paper is being attempted by everybody. So if it's easy for you, it's easy for all. And if it's difficult for you, it's difficult for all. So don't let any thoughts bother you. Keep your entire concentration on the paper. Be focused. Take a lot of rest before the exam. Make sure that you go there in time, a little earlier than time, fresh and without any thoughts bothering you, and give your best performance and hope for the best results. Wish you all the best.
Hello, Abhyasis. All the very best for your CLAT exam. I know that you're in your final leg of preparation, and I'm sure you're doing well. We wish you all a very, very good luck. There are a few things that I want you to remember before you take the exam or on the day of exam. First one, believe in the preparation, trust yourself, trust your knowledge, apply the strategies that you learned, and most importantly, leave any kind of tension about results outside the doorstep of the exam hall. We don't want you to worry about anything while you're doing your exam, right? Exam time is focus only on questions. That's it, right? Post exam analysis, support, counseling, etc. We're all there to support you, but just keep focusing on your exam. That's the main thing, and just give your best. Okay? All the very best.
Hi guys, so the D-Day is finally here and I know all of you have worked really hard and put in a lot of effort for this. So go ahead and give it your best shot. And remember, under any circumstance, do not panic. Stay focused, stay calm and be very, very confident. I'm sure you all are going to do really, really well in the exam. Right? So go ahead and give it your best shot. All the very best, guys. Bye.
Hi there. Hope all of you are safe and healthy. It's going to be the big day for you. Going to take a big plunge. One more step closer to your dreams. So don't panic. Don't worry. Just stay clear. Be confident. Just to throw the fear out of the windows or it will cloud your judgment. So just stay confident and do well. All the best.
Hey everyone, with the exam dates fast approaching, I wish the best to each one of you attempting CLAT this year. I hope you are current with the current affairs. Just be confident and stay calm during the exam. That is half battle won. I hope every one of you scores a good score and takes the first steps towards a fulfilling career. All the best.
Hello everyone. I hope you are preparing well and do not take stress. Do your best. All the best for your exam.
Your CLAT exam is around the corner. You probably might be fretting about it. Don't be scared. I know for sure that you all will be doing well in it. But I see that you, especially you, yeah, you are going to crack it for sure. All the best.
Hi everyone. So it's been a great journey for all of us over the last few months, 2 years. So I really wish all of you all the best for the CLAT exam that you're going to appear for soon. Do not panic, stay calm and try to do your best. Trust in your preparation and your abilities, and I'm very sure all of you will do your best and get the best possible results for you. So once again, all the best for all of you.
So your CLAT examination is around the corner, and I guess everybody is busy preparing their strategy for the examination and doing their mocks. So all I want to say is all the best, because after having taught you for such a long time, I believe that you are more than capable to crack the examination and get the university of your choice. So all the best.
I wish you a very good luck for your CLAT exam. Don't stress, just believe in yourself and do your best.
All the best, guys. Do well. Do not get tensed. I think Abhyas has trained you enough. So keep calm and rock the exam.
Hello, good evening everyone. I wish you all good luck for your CLAT 2021. I just have two suggestions in my mind. One is the time management, which we have been working a lot on. And second one is read the passage carefully, read the questions carefully, and try to answer everything very vigilantly and correctly. Furthermore, give your best, give your 100%. Keep in mind that there's a minus marking as well. All right? Thank you.
Dear all, first of all, congratulations for completion of your course CLAT 2021. This means you guys are fully equipped now. We as a trainers are fully convinced with the constant effort, energy and passion that you have put throughout the course. But it is not done yet. Your journey is yet to begin. The wonderful journey that you guys have opted for. Once again, the entire team of Abhyas is ready to raise their shoulders high in pride with your results. All the very best and trust your efforts. Until then, we will be waiting for your result. Take care, guys.
Hello everyone. I hope your preparation is going very well. All the best for your examination.
Hey guys, hope you all are doing good. As we all know, the examination is very near. Don't be tensed, be confident. You all have an ability to solve any kind of a paper, either it's hard or easy. Just believe in yourself, get your dreams. All the best.
Hi students, hope you guys are doing good. Till now what you've done is fine, Nana. So now the CLAT exam is here. So give your best, don't be panic. And I wish you guys all to be in top NLUs. All the very best, guys.
All the best. All the best.
All the best.
Abhyas Law Prep Team wishes you all the very best for your CLAT exam.